smile plays like a movie in my mind. Feels like you've always been here in my life. Your voice is like a song I can't forget you, and I never wanna let you go. I just wanna let you know. You make me laugh a little louder. You make me dream.
Happy birthday, Gina, my sweetheart. Matagal na kami, bali na kami. 43 years na kami magkasama. Siguro naman yung tagal naming pagsasama, siyempre, yun ang nagbibigay sa kanya na siya ay isang mabuting asawa para sa akin. Sana tumagal pa ng matagal na matagal ang pagsasama namin.
We hold so many memories in our hearts.
Sana ay tumagal pa ang ating pagsama at sana ay dumating pa ang maraming birthday para sa iyo. Happy birthday. I love you.
So close, even if we're far apart. Standing on the edge of new beginnings. I can't wait to see just what.
Happy 60th birthday sa kanya. Ang wish ko lang sana umaba pa yung buhay niya, maging maganda yung kalusugan niya, at marami pang birthday dumating sa kanya.
And every time I think of you, you make me laugh a little louder. You make me dream a little bigger. My life is so.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Wish ko po sa inyo. Sana madaming birthday pa na dumating sa inyo at mahal na mahal ko po kayo. At sana po, maging masaya po kayo ngayong araw. Sana po maging memorable. Yun lang po. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Much sweeter 'cause you make me.
Happy 60th birthday, Nanay. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health always. At saka sana makasama ka pa namin ng maraming taon. Mahal na mahal ka na.
Better than I would have been without you. Better than I've ever been before.
60th birthday, Nay. Isa lang naman yung goal ko sa araw na to, to be memorable, tsaka maging happy ka. Sana hindi mo makalimutan tong araw na to. Sana maging masayang-masaya ka.
I treasure every moment we're together. Just for now, let me tell you how. You make me laugh a little louder. You make me dream a little bigger.
Birthday, Nanay. Wala po akong ibang masasabi kundi mahal na mahal ko po kayo. And thank you so much po kasi simula po nung baby pa po ako, inalagaan niyo na po talaga ako ng maayos at pinalaki niyo din po ng maayos. Sana po, maba pa po yung buhay niyo para makasama ka pa po namin.
You make me dream a little bigger. My life is so much sweeter because